Clever Bird, written by Charlie Chen, illustrations by Oki Han. Long ago in China, there lived a man named Mo Chen. One day, a rich farmer offered him a job. The farmer would pay him 10 gold pieces if Mo Chen could work for 1 year without complaining. The rich farmer had planned all along to trick Mo Chen. On the last day, he gave him boiled stones for dinner. Mo Chen said he could not chew his food. The farmer said, "You are complaining. I owe you nothing." Soon, everyone had heard the story of what happened. The villagers said, "That greedy farmer needs to be taught a lesson." So they bought a clever parrot and taught it to say, "Yes, of course." Then they buried a sack of gold coins by a tree in the forest near a flowing stream. The next day, the farmer met Mo Chen walking with his bird. "Don't ask me for money," said the farmer. "Be gone." But Mo Chen just laughed and said, "Oh, I don't need your money. I have this wonderful bird. He can find gold coins." "Prove it," said the greedy farmer. They walked into the forest. Soon, they reached a tree near the flowing stream. Mo Chen asked his bird, "Is this a good place to find gold?" The bird said, "Yes, of course." Mo Chen dug up the gold coins. The farmer shouted, "I will pay 10 gold pieces for that bird." Mo Chen happily took the money and went home, and the farmer ran into the fields with the bird. He asked, "Is this a good place to find gold?" The bird said, "Yes, of course." The farmer dug all day but found nothing. He groaned. "Now Mo Chen has his gold, and I was greedy." "Yes, of course," said the bird.